Go back.
But because me young people,
okay.
Why am I pushing me young people? I am a charming. And to me, must say, see a tune to me. A drama move boss, see a tune to me. No, Miss Amma, not a Japan, some. And I pay your home.
You may have Mobuano, sir, 20 years. 20 years will be cracked when we are there. I am man, yes,
over the TV with a breaking news. And then we say, Chairman Wontumi, Mr. Clark. Oh, yeah, sentenced to 20 years imprisonment with hard labor. Oh, Chairman Wontumi Waka. And if you are not winning Chairman Wontumi sense maybe not that general documentary whom sense somebody at show. Whenever I drink such Chairman Wontumi pair and I had the only politicians out to me, politician or TV stations or non TV station and the radio station. So now all the gold at the tray. Chairman Wontumi and our contaminant for the forest street and Chirenche, Omutimi Kwasha one almost Sasa, Sano, Bubruja, Tano, Insure Tano, Iron Doso, and Mayor Shaw Tano Akasa, into a sentence to 20 years imprisonment. Then Chairman Wontumi go PM more court to the MPP for no. As I do one now, there be a man for Papa Gia Bakumi, and Ubino Coco PM, Ewa Honum, and then the Menuka say that Chairman Wontumi prison for a picking or leading or more than you call prison. Say a sentence so Sazuna, a brand new one, yeah, Bema Wada, Giano Baby didn't come, Bino Baba and Nana. Yes, sentence wa Otilo, now when I'm quite near the wall court. Instead, they are sentencing Chairman Wontumi. I'm so I'm a MPP for baby everywhere, Quilliams. Now, I'm Crawford so Bisa Assembly say, now I saw Eddie 20 years imprisonment and Eddie and then Chairman Wontumi, why yeah? Other than as a NDC for Bibia and yet Bibia near the Wootums, other than Pesamo Yanam NDC for other Asabea. Eddie Asama. And for say it was a too harsh of a sentence. The sentence is too harsh. Well, say a harsh or say a harsh. Young watch documentary when you mumbra. Say after the documentary, say Osha, we now when you said the sentence was too harsh. The comment section, one of me, we can agree to disagree. Osha, we have sentence and your harsh as well. We can agree to disagree. And to young share their contamines, a Chairman Wontumi, a mining company, Nyanko should be embraced here. And idea, Chairman Wontumi no, and original national television so say a solid menu, real good, solid menu, a scarce show, and yasam ketua, we walk on an anisika bebre. Now, Chairman Wontumi asam ye. On say a something which is there. One casano, na baby only lines says a concession be any say what they get communina and what they get quiet. Assassin, oh baby, a woman, license record you baby crab when I wouldn't be no wood they get caught now, they get caught now, they give our also show near what they are, and what you say, what it's a forest. No, abide dia any say uremu a protecting mine no ensure cry tanon show mad the gear says to tano akasawo oblen ponta no wakasamo ada na Chairman Wontumi yes Chairman Wontumi obi antan wo na nso na du baby a moye dodo oh moya ma ne bro so mo the politics ewurem no moya ma na bro so. And come on. And they sentenced Chairman Wontumi into 20 years as custody. Now yes with hard labor. Into no and they and Crawford kakra mukoko PM or court one omu kem omu sun. Na ebra means ebra no the lawyers for akasa na mamema unya da agina nkohwe eye maamefue su omu su ni de omu ye omu se atamfo mu mohire atamfo tiri so atamfo apampa so de mu ye ni na ye hu de mu keka ni na yate enya ya sem Chairman Wontumi ye obusuani anka ope emfa ye ho ya che no Chairman Wontumi wuda obetena ase ahwa wona na nka nso amo ena me se adwen ne yire no mo na me se adwen ne yire no sen did the same dream na se sike ne yire no mu di fa nti me giro mo ho sen ebusuan ma yi di nko be nko tie bi mbresese ya
Because me young people ni.
Okay.
Why am a bush and me young people ni I am a chairman. And to me must say I tune to me. And to my move boss see I tune to me no. Mesu ama no ate young people ni I am a chairman. And to me must say I tune to me. And to my move boss see I tune to me no. Mesu ama no ate pansam. And ya pay ye dear.
You may have Mobuano, sir, 20 years. 20 years will be crank when we are there. Man, yes, it's any man to cry. Any plan of what you are. I said, Nipabi, Epesa Papano, Cheno, I'm in a poor woman. I'm
people know I am a chairman. And to me must say I tune to me. And to my move boss see I tune to me no. Mesu ama no ate pansam. And ya pay ye dear.
You may have Mobuano, sir, 20 years. 20 years will be crank when we are there. Man, yes, it's any man to cry. Any plan of what you are. I said, Nipabi, Epesa Papano, Cheno, I'm in a poor woman. I'm
And tonight, Chairman Wontumi na nebusuafo kum MPP for. Wa mo say atamfo mu mwahire. Chairman Wontumi wunwo. Mu aya mo desa Chairman Wontumi ya sentence no. Mu tiriso no mapampa so na say mama enkasasa na memiti enya me de. Cause anya Chairman Wontumi me hu ni video no okokota obete Clark na mama aditi na wokasa atamfo mbohire wa mu na mbohire A+ na me sure say kutia we de koma A+ ebusuafo A+ nsensem no so na ebia screen no so no mprempre me no kasa de A+ so akotwra to ni page say yeah radio that was God today forever and ever na te say radio ni na A+ chra radio yobolo radio oya totre radio ne fuson radio ne bola again in Suria A+ sensama waka wo screen isu a wo be hu se an A+ or de nyame ase e wo honom no ne se A+ ni agye pa A+ ni agye we ase de wo honom a hwe yie bompa ye se wan ton so hwemo hwe yie no wan ton so hwem anasa wo ton so hwem a meti yie da me ton so hwem ye nkofo ko bi ne be nyame e ewrade ma ne mpare me o de shi ensi da Koleke atafu triso me say Chairman Wontumi ho kan ye ya na A+ akwakotwa to ni page o say ewrade yobodo twin o say ewrade ne bo la gane yinsulia enti anei niama Chairman Wontumi dia ye A+ na wa twetwe wurem na bia screen so no wa twetwe wurem enya baby otimi ka say ya arrest A+ say A+ ko dem baby wakaka ensam no waka bebre ewrade hu ya mobo ye adipa TV ye hu ya ne yakofa be wo Miss Cover Girl egudi ahima atamfu tiri so ensi da nti Mr. Clark and they are sentenced to 20 years imprisonment. At the end, Clark ebetimi be 1 year na 2 years. Radio ya papa obe just say be sipen say na no ya maame agrasco na ho ya de ya maame so 15 years so say yet so ba 1 year ya maame de oba de na me demom na Mr. Clark so me panasem o yi no so mo ntwemra 6 months mfama ya Mr. Clark and ebusuafo ye sentence nebusuafo aba be ye dede omu ye dede wie ye omu se atamfu tiri so anso ha and the lawyers for ne kasa utimi show lawyers na ye ha na some omu kan say judgment we there it was too harsh e go take in process
in the next 5 years the mechanism ye bu the court na kan then so enya the court na kan nyina na ebitu Sebi as a lawyer for na ye gina Wontumi echi a yedutwa che no right from the day a case no eba court right from the arrest any right throughout the arraignment, in case in evidence prosecution and the two courts in any and I name a quiet fast so you boy improve our courts any a new year a back court. It's any day a court and then Nijina is here abano. Ya beji bre na ya je court and Nisuye and I said Natimua the buy near him the Shemuria ya the atoto Jumedia course or court in Nina na yene yera Wontumi akasa na fe no yenya instructions and I'm for person you to na you to sana money. Indeed. I must say that
you said the outcome of
the trial.
Okay.
Having culminated into a conviction and sentencing, because under normal circumstances, one would have thought that at least once a person is charged with assignment of mineral rights without authorization, it was right that the Lands Act clearly defines what assignment is, and assignment is by way of a written instrument. And if there was none throughout the trial, and that a person could be convicted and sentenced on same, then it's really a worrying trend. And what can we do except to consult our clients and fashion out the way forward, and it will certainly come out.
But the charges were brought under the Mining Act, right?
Yes, certainly it was brought under the Mining Act. But the Mining Act doesn't talk of assignment. It talks in terms of assignment. The specific legislation that regulates the conduct of land transactions is the Lands Act of 2020. Yes, Act 1036. It regulates the conduct of land transactions. So if you want to really understand what assignment means as far as land transactions are concerned, then you have to go to the Lands Act. And clearly the Lands Act talks of assignment to be a written instrument, but we did not see it. And said clearly, once he has been convicted on assignment without mineral right authorization.
Because me young people okay. Why am I busy me young people I am a chairman. And me must say, see I tune to me. And to a move boss, see I tune to me no. Mesu ama no atete apansam etia ya pay ye dio
I said you may have Mabuano, sir, 20 years. 20 years will be crank when we are there. Man, years, it's any mother cry. Any kind of what you I said, Nipper be a papa no home channel. I'm in the poor. I'm
Go back.
But because me young people okay. Why am I busy and me young people I am a chairman. And me must say, see
right internet just a lawyer for na kasa womo kasa na mai so kasa omo kasa na mai kasa me sure say kutie ya mai pimpim na ya media na so muntie bibi kuromu ha say wo ho ubetimi hu genuinely wo media no so say yes asem we ato we say any day so we come na any do me chairman Wontumi me feeling on the locus ni ho anika oh emu bi wo hono ma in as much as nema bi wa mo ye dictate memufo no ye ni nhyada nje ho sa oh ye ni nhyada nje ho na asfem na areho but Mr. Clark I trust your lawyers say they will do something equally about it and most so emaba wa kasa mu bo mutu hire ayeye na MPP for where are they mo ampacha ma Wontumi kokot ma nkoja ana go diska no ma mu bindi no ma mu bindi ana okay anti anei wona ekoko PM wo court no omo amko PM wo court no asama wo mu bisa abrante ba ko to be 3-4 na years news ye bisa abrante ba ko no wo court room wo say na eba ne sai na okoko PM wo na okoko PM so chairman Wontumi ye sentence no na ne dimi na etsen o chire mu e ma ye hu ebra ye sentence chairman Wontumi no sadie na wesi aye boho esi afa ebusuya yentwa ye hone nkosho bimbrasisi ya.
I was going to get to that. Ask you about what exactly his demeanor was. I cannot imagine how a man will look or feel the moment he is told that he is to be in jail, in prison, for 20 good years.
Hard labor.
Hard labor, that is attached.
Yeah, 60. So initially, once the sentence and when the reading started, he was intermittently smiling wryly. Some of the times when the judge makes certain statements, you'll see him visibly angry. So sometimes even the prosecution trying to imply that that is not the case, and so he was visibly disagreeing with some of the things that the judge was making. But getting to the latter part, then you realize that he was moving a lot within the witness box, and his face had become shiny with a bit of sweat, and now the smile was gone. He was
fading away.
He was beginning to look a lot more worried, and by the time the entire sentence was given, he looked like a man who has, what's the word, probably given up or didn't know what his face was going to be. And so at that point it was a mixture of sadness, anger had become shiny with a bit of sweat, and now the smile was gone. He was
fading away.
He was beginning to look a lot more worried, and by the time the entire sentence was given, he looked like a man who has, what's the word, probably given up or didn't know what his face was going to be. And so at that point it was a mixture.
Entina chess enye no ene wo chire mo ya burofo na oka wonte burofo a wonte ase wo se ye kasa na sidina judge na hye kasa na sidina na o ma na chama Wontumi na se serious kakra wonenim na serious kakra wonenim but ebura ye sentence no se na serious na so te e say ya mutu kunkum face kunkum abo na o de fi say Sana na just abrance ni chiremu a course courtroom no and 20 years with hard labor, 20 years imprisonment with hard labor. And the idea much Wontumi tebusun for where breaking news as to say omo be say die chire na ye better show the about 1 year and 8 months e wo kuromu aye hwe ye entire obi na ye nchire obi adepa TV menton tomatoes na menton je ne menye bodua e news one some na ye ka over comment section one we can agree to disagree. You know, cover girls, ufremi na gudi hema swa. Mejo sopa me pa cho over more fi subscribe button no. We'll subscribe and I will leave you comments at the comment section. Oko Facebook your at TV, oko TikTok, oko Instagram. Me chema just say all the social media handles ninita. Ya wo ho e ma re fi sa uba adepa TV ya pe and I yafa Ghana aboy bo. Me chemu saying ya pe na Ghana red flag na main flag na yafa into hwehwem red gold green no ya Ghana free one man just adepa TV ni wo ho and a Ghana flag na ubehu black star e wo mfimfin yeah black no edda red gold green in chemu and a TV e shemfimfin e bi me ma re mfisa de high adepa TV na men sorry so no net say midday ya kan say documentary ya fa asase no hode ma makrawo na me ya adoma o china ye be say hia bi me wade party be ma re mfisa page ni so nko ade news bia wo pe bia konkonsa bia esi wo 360 bia me na egudi ahima me de somo de hwe wani so kakra de na ye vadwumedi ne fancy makrawo
because me young people ni
okay
why am abusia ni me young people ni why am chairman eti me mo se si achi Wontumi etu ama mu boss si achi Wontumi no me so ama no atete apansam eti ya pe ye de o
adwuma ya mabua no saa 20 years 20 years wo bi kura kwa wi ade akuni papra ya man saa years na ade ama eti ani ma de kura
ni papa na wa tumi aku
asa nipa bi epesa papa no ho nkyere no wo amaneku a wo wo
emre ye ni kaso ye ni mra kaso be ma ata
se wo ya tumi na sa wo gyina so de ye tumi le betimi adane ama tumi na sa be show bi from so eti ade ye be bo pa ya me papa se be bi ade na
atanfu mo ma ti mo ma ti
Go back. Ye budi court naka. Nenso enya de court naka nyina na yegitu. Sebi as a lawyer for na ye gina Wontumi echi a yetwa age no. Right from the day a case no eba court. Right from the arrest and right throughout the arraignment no. Yenim case no nyina so yenim evidence prosecution de to court in anim and I name a quiet fast so you boy improve our court any a new year a court it's any day a court na de ni gina isi abano ye beje bre na ya je court no ni susuye and I say na temu a de ba ye no na ya hwem ye hwem wi a ye de atoto dwumedie course or court ni nyina ho na ye ne ye wura Wontumi akasa na fe no ye nya instructions a anamon foforo pesi ye tuwe no susu no na ye tusa anamon no indeed I must say that
Is that the outcome of?
The outcome of the trial.
Okay.
Having culminated into a conviction and sentencing. Because under normal circumstances, one would have thought that at least once a person is charged with assignment of mineral right without authorization, it was right that the Lands Act clearly defines what assignment is. And assignment is by way of a written instrument. And if there was none throughout the trial, and that a person could be convicted and sentenced on same, then it's really a worrying trend. And what can we do except to consult our clients and fashion out the way forward, and it will certainly come out.
But the charges were brought under the Mining Act, right?
Yes, certainly it was brought under the Mining Act. But the Mining Act doesn't talk of assignment. It talks in terms of assignment. The specific legislation that regulates the conduct of land transactions is the Lands Act of 2020. Yes, Act 1036. It regulates the conduct of land.
What have we